Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Cool song here from Lil Nas X called Star Walking. It's the League of Legends song here, based upon pretty much 3 different chords. We'll throw in 2 more in the end there. Otherwise, 3 chords that goes around and around. Great there. So let's start with this one. I think the easiest way is to handle this song with a capo here on the 5th fret. There we have the F, G, and A minor, basically, we're going to work with. So, capo on 5th, and let's go over the chords. Like I said, we'll start with the F. So you have a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And speaking of G, that's the next chord. We have 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then we have A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so this is the first 3 chords, F, G, and A minor. That's the basic thing here for this song. And in the end, in the final parts there, bridge part or so, we will need to have work with 3 more chords. So I'm gonna throw in them as well. So the first one will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the E minor 7/B chord, or whatever we're gonna call it. This chord or grip has many names. That's the grip, and that will be 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And finally we have the A. And that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So there you have it, 6 chords in total. 3 chords that, plays about 98% of the song or so. So let's look at the melody pattern first. It's based upon F, G, and A minor. So I'm gonna go through the different chords and notes that belongs to them. So let's look at the F first. It goes like this. Okay. So the grip you're gonna hold for this one, the easiest way is to hold the 1st fret on E string in the bass and 2nd fret on the G string. So with that grip, we're gonna play E, 1st fret, 2nd fret G, and open E in top note. Then you repeat that again, that pattern. So 1st E in the bass, 2nd G, and open E in top note. And then you play finally 1st fret E string in the bass and 2nd G. And that's it for F. So to repeat this slowly, it goes like this. Okay, the next part, based upon a G chord, the grip you're gonna hold is just 3rd fret E string in the bass. And the part sounds like this. So you're gonna play 3rd fret E bass, then open B, and open E top note. You repeat these 3 notes again, 3rd fret E string bass, open B, and open E top note. And then you have finally 3rd fret E bass and open B. Slowly it goes like this. And then we have the final A minor part left, and that sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna hold the 1st fret B string, that's it. And then you're gonna play open A, 1st fret B, and open E top note. You repeat these 3 notes, open A, 1st B, open E top note, and then finally open A and 1st B. Slowly like this. right, so there you have the pattern F, G, and A minor. I'm gonna take you through one slow round and one standard tempo. So let's go. And I forgot to mention, final A minor, you're gonna play that A minor for 2 rounds. So F1, G1, and A minor 2. Standard tempo, something like this. Yeah, 4 rounds, and that is how you do it. Now let's look at the strumming. All right, so we have the same chord progression almost through entire song, and I'm gonna give you the final parts later. But first, the main thing here, F, G, and A minor. We have one long strumming pattern, which we're gonna divide into 2 parts. So part 1 and part 2, because we're gonna play some chords just single parts of this strumming. So we're gonna look at the A minor first, since that is the chord that we're gonna use for a full strumming pattern. So one full round of this strumming sounds like this. All right, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap. Okay, so down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. Okay, and the part 2 will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So have a short break after first down, and then comes down, up, clap, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up, like this. I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of this in a slower tempo like this, so let's go. Yeah, so there you have it. So now when we have this different parts here in a full strumming round, we're gonna go over the chord progression with the strumming, and it's very easy. You're gonna play the F chord, part 1, so down, down, up, clap. Then you quick change to G and play part 2, the down, down, up, clap, down, up, and you end with one full strumming round of A minor. So F part 1, G part 2, A minor 1 full. Slowly, sounds like this. That is one chord progression round. With some standard tempo, goes like this. So on. You're gonna play that almost through the entire song till about 3 minutes into the song, and that is the final parts of the song. There you're gonna play 1 down per chord, and now this is the time where we're gonna put in the 3 other chords. 1 down per chord, and you will play F, G, A minor, then C, and this E minor / B chord. So the first half of this chord progression will be that rhythm. So F, G, A minor, short pause, and then C, E minor, B. Again. Okay, so that's the first half, and then you're just gonna play F, G, and A minor, and after this final A minor, you have a longer break. So okay, that's the first chord progression round, you can say. The second and final round of this chord progression, F, G, A minor, C, E minor, and then F, G, and the last chord here, that's where you're gonna use the A instead of A minor. So that's where the A comes in. So the second round, you're gonna play F, G, A minor, then C, E minor, and F, G, and A. And that is the first time A comes in, and this is also how the song ends. So this ending is with this final A chord. And that, my friends, covers Lil Nas X Star Walking. So a great song, easy pattern, very fun to play as well, because it's easy and it's fast and it sounds great, this one. And so on. So yeah, cool song to learn, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this. And if you did, please thumb up and give me some love here. So till next time, guys, play tuned.